Wish that I could stay. Wish that I could stay. Wish that I could stay. Wish that I could stay.
Hello friends, welcome back. So today we are here in Puerto Viejo. It took us around 5 hours to reach over here. We didn't vlog anything in the morning when we were leaving, but you must have seen some shots, some drone shots, and before I started talking. So we are here. We're going to stay overnight, and then tomorrow we are going to. I think you should see tomorrow's vlog to see where we are going. So as of now we are in this restaurant and we're going to have lunch and then we'll show you around. I'm having this coffee. Liam is having this ginger ale type drink. Look at the food, this looks yummy.
And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
We are walking on this beach.
Wish that I could stay. Wish for this moment to never go away. But it's all in my mind. And though I know that there is nothing to find, you're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
Water is so clear over here. पानी कितना साफ है यहाँ पे? So we captured some good photos of the sunset. Now, yeah, still 5:30 and we have the whole night.
इसमें पोलो उसमें कुछ हुआ है।
मैं कौन तो ये है?
हाँ मुझे कौन तो ये
Something happened over there, but we don't know what happened. We crossed that street or that shop in the evening, and when we came back, it's
All you can see, thinking about what your life came to be. You're a beautiful sight in the summer night. And you can't put up a fight in the misty light.
we are kind of stuck as of now. It's raining as you can see, but we are having good chilling time. This place, this is called Cafe Viejo, and it's an Italian cuisine. So, with the food is good. It's a very small town, and there are a lot of bars on the road where you can just sit and relax and have drinks or maybe coffee.
Salsa Brava. There is one. This is really nice. That is called Playa 506.
Okay.
That is beach 506. That is in Cocles.
Okay.
Okay.
That is nice place on the beach.
Okay.
And here the best place is Salsa Brava. Salsa Brava. Salsa Brava is the name of the wave, the big wave that all the surfer come here. It's famous because it's big wave.
Okay.
And it's called Salsa Brava. It's like 300 meters from here on the main road. Yeah, of course, it's on the beach. And Lazy Moon. Lazy Moon is 100 meters before the Salsa Brava.
Okay.
This is like the beautiful place because is in a perfect place for the sunset in the night, and everybody stop there like having drink,
nice.
spend the evening,
Great.
and if something happen on the beach, is
Then
there.
they're just there. Okay.
Is there. Here is more family.
Yeah.
People, local, not from San Jose. It's very.
Yeah. It was good.
It was good. I mean, we enjoyed our time. We like the drinks.
Thank you. And we have like tourists, they go, but more like couple or families.
Yeah.
A little more quiet and cocktail, but easy. Not in a place where there is
Loud music.
strong music, and a lot of young people drinking beer, making for smoking weed and stuff like that. So
Yeah, it's different. It's a
people
different
love this place because it's more like
Investigated.
You're from Italian?
Yeah.
You're from Italy?
yeah, from Rimini, close to Venice.
Okay, great. I can see the accent.
Yeah.
All right.
Very good.
All right. Great
Thank
meeting
you
you.
very much.
Thank you.
And really love to meet you.
Sure.
Okay, have a
Take
good
care.
night.
Bye-bye.
Ciao.
So I think he was the owner, and we really had good drinks over there. The place name is Cafe Viejo. It's on the main street in Puerto Viejo, so you can find it very easily. It's if you want really good coffee and different drinks, I think it's a good place. So we just reached back to our lodge, and we'll keep this short for today. So tomorrow we are going somewhere, and we'll show you where we are. Keep enjoying, keep traveling, have fun, like, share and subscribe. Take care. Bye bye.